Welcome everyone to my channel, that is Fast and Easy Math. So today we are going to solve a very easy looking math test problem, but a lot of people think that the answer for this one is supposed to be 2, and that is where they went wrong. So now please understand, we have 2 divided by 1 upon 2 into 2. So here a lot of people think that let's cancel this. So you have 2 divided by 1 and that should get you the answer as 2. But that, my dear friends, is incorrect. Now I'll tell you why. Please understand, whenever you have a division and multiplication together in any sum, you have to remember that they hold equal precedence. Okay. Now this problem happens to people who are following PEMDAS. Okay, a lot of people think that in PEMDAS, because multiplication happens to be coming first, we need to do this operation first. But that is not correct. Like I said, both of them are supposed to be equal. So in this case, what you should do is you should always go from left to right. This is a universal thing. You always go from left to right. So here in this case, what you should do is first you will do the division. Now whenever you have division, you always follow the rule of KCF, where K stands for keeping the first number as it is, C stands for changing the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flipping or taking reciprocal of 1 upon 2, which is 2, and continue with the rest of the sum as it is. So we have 2 into 2, which is 4 into 2. That gets you the answer as 8. So I hope this is very, very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.